Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to share with you all the beauty secret of a famous Korean actress, Lee Young-ae. Lee gained her popularity in South Korea after starring in the historical drama Daejangum. In 2009, Lee married Jung Ho-young, a Korean-American businessman who was 20 years older than her. She gave birth to twins, a boy and a girl, in 2011. Although she is already 51 years old now, she still looks so young and gorgeous, even without makeup. Now let us see what her beauty secrets are. 1. Drink 10 cups of warm water daily. Lee drinks a cup of warm water every morning right after she wakes up. She makes sure she drinks at least 10 cups of warm water daily. Water keeps your body hydrated and refreshed and helps maintain your skin's elasticity. Why we should drink warm water instead of cold water? Drinking warm water in the morning and throughout the day can activate the body's metabolism, resulting in more fat burning throughout the day. Drinking warm water cleanses toxins from your body. In addition, warm water also helps in repairing the skin cells, thereby increasing the elasticity of your skin. 2. Drinks green tea. Lee drinks green tea daily too. Research has found that green tea is loaded with antioxidant and amino acid, which can help reduce and prevent aging, pigmentation, and acne. Green tea has many anti-aging properties and antioxidants, such as catechins and polyphenols, which cut down on free radical count. It not only fights wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, and saggy skin, keeping it firm and healthy, but also slows down premature aging to keep you looking youthful. 3. Healthy eating. Lee eats healthily. She avoids eating food which is high in salt, sugar, and seasonings. She also avoids eating spicy food because they are bad for the skin. She eats lots of fruits and vegetables, beans, nuts, and moderate amount of lean meat daily. She also likes to blend fruits and vegetables into smoothie and drink them daily. She avoids eating junk food and tries to eat whole foods. Whole foods are foods that are either not processed at all or processed minimally. Whole foods are rich in fiber, nutrients, and antioxidants, which can keep your skin looking young and healthy. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.